This is the mess I made. I'm the one who pulled all the clothes because I wanted to search for a t shirt. And look what I found, my every month fees card. This is for standard 4, and every month. Hey buddies, if you're watching this video, welcome to Missy's Mess YouTube channel. It's Monday, it's super boring, and I hate Mondays. Do you also hate Mondays? I know many of us does. Of course, I'm one of them. It's super boring, I don't know what to do. But then, I did think of cleaning my room. It's super messy, especially my wardrobe. You can guess. Yes, it's me who messed up. Have to organize everything and donate few of my unused clothes. So I've decided to clean them today. Before I show you my wardrobe, please don't judge me and we'll see how it goes. And again, don't judge me before I show you my wardrobe. Okay? Let's go. Well, do you all want to see the mess I made? I'm going to show it to you. This is the mess I made. I'm the one who pulled all the clothes because I wanted to search for a t shirt and a legging. I couldn't find one and I pulled everything out. So I'm the one who should clean. I don't want to bother my mom. She was ready to organize everything. But then I told her, I made this mess. Let me clean this. This is my mom's and the second rack. And the second rack is mine. Now you can see everything is messed up. This sari, my sister got it for my mom for her wedding anniversary. Veena, if you're watching this video, I hope you remember. I think folding is going to be a huge task here because I pulled everything just to find one t-shirt. My plan my plan is first I'll segregate my mom's clothes and then I'll organize mine. So that would be easier for me to do this quick, I think. Just see, just see, just see. Did you just see what happened? Because I want to make an effort, and whoever is trying to lose weight just like me, I want to show them how consistency can change them. Like, I'm going to take this as a challenge for myself, and I want to prove me wrong because from past 3 years, like I told you, I'm telling everybody that I'll lose weight, and I do it for a month or couple of weeks and then I change my mind, and I'm not consistent, I'm inconsistent. So I want to take it as a challenge and then show you all what all I'm going to eat, what all I'm going to do, so that You can also make up your mind and start losing weight just like me. Everything is possible until you just make your mind and be disciplined in whatever decision you take. So I feel discipline and consistency is very important, which is what I'm lacking. But this time, somehow, I want to muster up and do it. That's it. That's the goal. I don't want to lose weight rapidly. I want to lose weight slowly and gradually. Let's see. I'm going to post that too. This beanie, my friend got me this beanie and I barely used it. I like purple and I like any shades of purple, and I love this beanie. Look what I found. My every month fees card. This is for standard 4, and every month we used to pay 2,200 rupees back in 2020. No, back in 2004. Nice memory. So the first pile is only kurtas, and the second pile, first pile I hardly used. I used once, and this pile I have not at all used. I just bought them and I kept them. Maybe one or two I would have used once. And this one are just pants, and these three. Okay, finally I am done. I think I did pretty decent organizing. I think so. Let's see. What do you think? This is how it looks. Below are my clothes. One side I've kept all my denims, my daily use, and the kurtas. These are all my mom's. All three piles are saris. So I think I did a pretty decent wardrobe organizing, right? Yeah. If you think so, please comment down below. And also, please let me know if your wardrobe is as messy as mine or was messy as mine. Please do let me know in the comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye.